Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to fetch API data using JavaScript with Async event in the easiest possible way. In this series, we will cover modern and technical coding round interview questions and answers, which mostly asked in interview. We will use JSBin. It's an online tool that lets us write and test JavaScript code instantly. By the end of this video, you will know how to fetch data from API. So let's get started. So first, we'll have to open JSBin from browser, and you will see different section from for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, output and console. So we need only JavaScript and console to see the result. So let's focus on the JavaScript. You can see file menu option there in JSBin. Here we have options like create new bin, check your bin, delete, archive, add description, save snapshot, clone the bin, export as git, download, save as template option available. So you can use them. You can see at the top right corner, account menu is there and options like profile, editor setting, preferences, logout. In profile, you can see your username. Mostly you have to link your GitHub account to JSP. So you get an information about your username, email ID, password. And in editor setting, you can customize your JSP editor. So you can customize like font size, the theme, spacing, width, tab lines, line numbers, key binding, like you need default default coding behavior or like sublime, active lines, style the current cursor line, close bracket, auto close bracket and quotes. And in preferences setting, you can see like in when we open panel, HTML, CSS, JavaScript console and output option here. That's all about the JSBin setting. You have to open JSBin from browser, and you will see different section from for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, output and console. So we need only JavaScript and console to see the result. So let's focus on the JavaScript. Here we define a sync function. This allows us to use a wait inside, and a sync function used to return promise. So use fetch method to call the API, fetches data from the given URL. Fetches data from the given URL. Then convert response to JSON using await response.json method. It converts the data into a readable JavaScript. 'Object. 'Object' 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 Then log the fetch data. Display the result in the console. Use try catch for error handling. It catches any errors that may occur. We'll have to then log the fetch data. Display the result in the console. Use try catch for error handling. It catches any errors that may occur. We'll have to call the function fetchData function to execute the API request. Now let's run the code. Click on the console tab in your browser by right-clicking anywhere on the page and selecting Inspect Console. Or in JSON, just click on Run. Top right corner. If everything works fine, you will see the fetch data printed in the console like this. This means our API request was successful. And here we use API. This function will get a post from the JSON placeholder API, which is a free testing API for developers. So you can see code run execute successfully. Note, if the URL is wrong, we get an error message instead of crashing the screen. This helps us debug issues easily. So in fetch method, we try to add wrong URL, so we get an error. And if URL is right, then it will debug successfully. You can see in Fetch API, original API replaced by wrong API link. So we get an error message like error fetching data. You can run from upper right corner and clear also. In that way, you can execute code on JSBin. If everything works fine, you will see the fetch data printed in the console like this. This means our API request was successful. And here we use API. This function will get a post from the JSON placeholder API, which is a free testing API for developers. So you can see code run execute successfully. And you got output. Thank you guys for watching this video.